Puff Daddy's big trial is fast approaching, and things aren't looking good for him. His lawyers are doing everything they can to delay the court date, especially after 3 new victims were added to the federal case against him. One of the most serious allegations involves the sexual abuse of teenage stars like Aaron Carter and Justin Bieber when they were just 12 years old. Meanwhile, Aaron Carter's mother is fighting to reopen the investigation into her son's death. New evidence suggests that Aaron's death might not have been a suicide after all. For example, although it was reported that he drowned in his bathtub, no water was found in his lungs. And why did the police keep changing their story about where exactly he was found? Before his death, Aaron had warned that his life was in danger and that people were after him. In his final videos, he said he was being set up, that people owed him money, and he even asked for financial help so he could escape. Just 2 days after these warnings, Aaron was found dead. Many believe his death was no accident, especially considering that his phone, which he always kept with him, mysteriously went missing that day and was later found inside his car. But the dark side of Hollywood doesn't stop there. There's been a long-standing culture of silence and cover-ups, making it nearly impossible for victims to speak out. Even someone like Justin Bieber later admitted how dark those years were for him, confessing that if things had continued the way they were, he might not even be alive today. And all this is just the tip of the iceberg. Recently, a video surfaced showing Diddy physically assaulting Cassie Ventura. Diddy's legal team tried hard to keep the footage out of court, claiming it was manipulated. But prosecutors argued that the videos are crucial in showing Diddy's pattern of violence and control. Despite all the mounting evidence, Diddy's lawyers are still trying to discredit the victims, questioning why they didn't come forward sooner, or why some stayed in contact with him after the abuse. But the reality is, many victims stay silent out of fear. Fear of losing their careers, their reputations, and even their lives. Now, the presence of outcry witnesses, people whom the victims confided in years ago, could be a game changer, just like what happened during Harvey Weinstein's trial. On top of all this, more lawsuits are piling up against Diddy. For instance, Joseph Manzor has filed a claim alleging that he was assaulted at a party in 2015 by Diddy and his entourage, while high-profile witnesses like Jay-Z, Beyoncé, and LeBron James were present. Today, Diddy faces even heavier accusations, including human trafficking. And as his trial date gets closer, the pressure is mounting. The federal court is moving forward as scheduled, and the judge has refused to delay the trial despite the defense's attempts to stall with new evidence and tactics. Now, all we can do is wait and see if after years of silence and cover-ups, justice will finally be served for the victims.